Tom was planning on doing that. Tom was planning on doing that. Tom will be fined for doing that. Tom will be fined for doing that. Doing that would make Tom happy. Doing that would make Tom happy. It looks as if Tom is doing that. It looks as if Tom is doing that. Tom and Mary are doing that now. Tom and Mary are doing that now. Tom doesn't recommend doing that. Tom doesn't recommend doing that. Tom has started doing that again. Tom has started doing that again. Tom has the habit of doing that. Tom has the habit of doing that. Tom hasn't ruled out doing that. Tom hasn't ruled out doing that. Tom hasn't stopped doing that yet. Tom hasn't stopped doing that yet. Tom is going to enjoy doing that. Tom is going to enjoy doing that. Tom is paid a lot for doing that. Tom is paid a lot for doing that. Tom is through doing that by now. Tom is through doing that by now. Tom plans on doing that already. Tom plans on doing that already. Tom says he's finished doing that. Tom says he's finished doing that. Tom talked Mary into doing that. Tom talked Mary into doing that. Tom wasn't finished doing that. Tom wasn't finished doing that. Tom won't start doing that today. Tom won't start doing that today. I hope Tom is through doing that. I hope Tom is through doing that. I wonder why Tom is doing that. I wonder why Tom is doing that. Maybe Tom would enjoy doing that. Maybe Tom would enjoy doing that. The one who's doing that is Tom. The one who's doing that is Tom. Tom already regrets doing that. Tom already regrets doing that. Tom asked me to stop doing that. Tom asked me to stop doing that. Tom began doing that last month. Tom began doing that last month. Tom finds doing that interesting. Tom finds doing that interesting. Tom has been doing that all week. Tom has been doing that all week. Tom has been doing that too long. Tom has been doing that too long.
Tom has to continue doing that. Tom has to continue doing that.
Tom is probably still doing that. Tom is probably still doing that. Tom likes doing that by himself. Tom likes doing that by himself. Tom said he felt like doing that. Tom said he felt like doing that. Tom said he plans on doing that. Tom said he plans on doing that. Tom said he'd be doing that soon. Tom said he'd be doing that soon. Tom told Mary he was doing that. Tom told Mary he was doing that. Tom told me he hated doing that. Tom told me he hated doing that. Tom tried doing that by himself. Tom tried doing that by himself. Tom was excused from doing that. Tom was excused from doing that. Tom won't be done doing that yet. Tom won't be done doing that yet. When does Tom plan on doing that? When does Tom plan on doing that? I heard that Tom died doing that. I heard that Tom died doing that. I know Tom isn't doing that now. I know Tom isn't doing that now. I think Tom isn't doing that now. I think Tom isn't doing that now. Tom already plans on doing that. Tom already plans on doing that. Tom apparently enjoys doing that. Tom apparently enjoys doing that. Tom got suspended for doing that. Tom got suspended for doing that. Tom hasn't yet stopped doing that. Tom hasn't yet stopped doing that. Tom is likely to stop doing that. Tom is likely to stop doing that. Tom is thinking about doing that. Tom is thinking about doing that. Tom must have seen Mary doing that. Tom must have seen Mary doing that.